Hi children, welcome to my channel Excellent Tutorials. Today I am going to teach laws of exponents. See here, a to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Means two numbers, between the two numbers, into is there, product is there, both the bases are same, powers may be same or different. It's okay. Next we have to keep one time base, then add the powers. This is the first law. A to the power of m into a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m plus n. Next, second law. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Between two numbers, division is there here. Then we have to keep one time base. Both bases are same. All the laws bases should be same. Then we have to keep one time base. Subtract the powers if division is there. This is second law. A to the power of m divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. Third law. A to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m in a to the power of mn. Means we have to multiply both the powers. Here two powers are there, a to the power of m whole to the power of n, that we have to multiply both the powers, that become a to the power of mn. Next, fourth law, a into b whole to the power of m. For two numbers together one common power is there. Here a and b are the two numbers, between the two numbers into is there, two together one common power m is there. Then we have to keep we have to make it separate powers. See, this m we have to make it separate for both the numbers, a to the power of m into b to the power of m. This is fourth law. Then next, fifth law, a by b whole to the power of m is equal to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Here also, for two numbers, between the two numbers division is there. For both the numbers together one common power m is there, that we have to make it separate, that is equal to a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Next, a to the power of 0 is equal to 1. This means for any number, any base is there, power is 0, then that's whole value become 1. For example, 10 to the power of 0, that is equal to 1. 100 to the power of 0, that also is equal to 1. 1000 to the power of 0, that also is equal to 0. Okay. See here children, exponent rules. Assume that a and b are non-zero real numbers and m and n are any integers. I took here b as the base. First property, 0 property of exponent, b to the power of 0 is equal to 1. That only I told, no? Any numbers power is 0, that whole value becomes 1. Then second one, negative property of exponent. If any numbers power is negative, to make it positive, I have to take to denominator. That number will take to denominator, that power become positive. B to the power of minus n is equal to 1 divided by b to the power of n. Negative power become positive, minus n become plus n. If power is negative in the denominator, first only denominator only negative power is there, that we have to take to numerator, that become positive. 1 divided by b to the power of minus n is equal to b to the power of n. Next, third one is product property of exponent. B to the power of m into b to the power of n is equal to b to the power of m plus n. Keep both the bases are same, no? One time keep base and add the powers, b to the power of m plus n. Fourth one, quotient property of exponents. B to the power of m divided by b to the power of n is equal to b to the power of m minus n. If division is there between the two numbers, then we have to subtract the powers. Next, fifth power, power of a power, property of a exponent. Power of power means here two powers are there. Double power, b to the power of m, whole to the power of n. That two powers we have to multiply. Make it keep one time base and multiply the powers. That is b to the power of m whole to the power of n is equal to b to the power of mn. Next one, power of a product property of exponents. A into b to the power of m. For two numbers, one common power is there, that we have to make it separate. A to the power of m into b to the power of m. Then seventh one, power of a quotient property of exponents. A divided by b whole to the power of m. Here also, for two numbers together, one common power is there. Between the two numbers, division is there. Then we have to make the power separator. Then it becomes a to the power of m divided by b to the power of m. Like this, we have to practice all the properties of exponents. Then, if you know the property, then you can do sums easily. By this, practice this properly. Okay? Thank you, children. Like my channel and subscribe it.